This car is a unique concept of a B-hatch, but with the feel of an SUV. Why an SUV attitude? Just because it has evident customer benefits and customer value. Higher ingress and higher driving position, and of course, better eye point, plus 100 millimeters versus the average of the market, to feel protected and safe in today's traffic environment. Easier egress and egress, roominess for both front and rear occupants, and also a generous boot volume. All that is just a 4.01 meter car, which is exactly the same footprint as the current C3. Range, fast charging, and charging points. ë-C3 comes with a range up to 320 km WLTP, with fast charging from 20 to 80% in 26 minutes, thanks to a 100 kilowatt DC, home charging station, of course, and a very brand new, efficient trip planner called eRoutes, with the best algorithm on the market. eRoutes is connected both to your car and the charging stations. And that allows you three things. First, to prepare in advance your itinerary. Second, to monitor in real time battery usage, energy use. And then locate the closest yet available charging spot. Three main excited and new features that are 100% Citroën. Our advanced comfort seats, advanced comfort suspensions, that deliver this magic carpet effect that you all know. Second, our advanced comfort seats that are now available on a B segment car. And last but not least, our new interior called Season Lounge with our brand new head-up display. Then we also have features that are must-have on this segment, like night navigation, auto AC, power windows, a 10.2 inches screen with wireless connectivity, a rear camera, and a lot of ADAS. And last but not least, we also have signature design features, such as the two-tone roof that you can see on the car, the LED headlight, and our cheeky color clips to add a touch of personalization. So this car is really worth moving to electric, and I think we should ask Pierre to come on stage to...
Maybe we should call the artist.
This ride.
Thank you so much,
Let's
Laurence.
call the artist.
Thank you.